Hibiscus, Goodhull, loves moisture and sun, blooms almost daily. 2. Marigold, Genda, hardy, pest-resistant, bright yellow or orange flowers. 3. Balsam, Gulmahandi, fast-growing, colourful, perfect for monsoon beds. 4. Rain lily, Zephyranthes, naturally blooms after rain, low maintenance. 5. Canna lily, bold leaves and vibrant flowers, loves wet soil. 6. Periwinkle, Sadabahar, continuous bloomer, thrives in humidity. 7. Cosmos, tall, airy plants with daisy-like flowers. 8. Portulaca, moss rose, thrives in sun and rain, low-growing and colourful. 9. Zinnia, bright blooms, rain-tolerant, easy to grow. 10. Petunia, needs well-draining soil, loves monsoon.